Alright, stepping into the trailer, there's a pull-out step, and then about 14 inches up to step into the trailer itself. Looking to the right, this would have been the dining area. Following around, that's the refrigerator. And two cupboards above the refrigerator. Going down the hallway, this is the bathroom. Okay. I might use that for food storage. And looking right to the left here is the old stove. And some more drawers and cupboard space, which might be suitable for nest boxes. They're not completely cleaned out yet, but they might utilize these if they can jump up here. I don't know. Okay. And then looking into the back, what would have been the bedroom. Coming in here, there's a closet and a lower and an upper bunk. All the way across. Another upper bunk and a lower bunk right here. With another closet, which has been cleaned out. Drawers or covered space under each lower bunk. Some shelving. And let's see, there's 5 main windows plus a skylight, which will need some repair. Okay, so lots of light in here. Okay, that's the back window. And these are the side windows that slide open. Now inside the trailer, looking from one end to the other, to the front to the back, is 21 foot 6 inches on the interior. On the exterior, it's about 23 feet. This is a partition that slides across this track and could be used to separate or segregate birds. Again, there's plenty of stuff that has to come out still. The ceiling height is 6'6". Okay, so this doorway is about, I don't know, 5 foot 10 inches or something like that. Okay, and my thought was to run a perch at about this level, around this far from maybe 6 inches away from the perimeter, all the way around the inside. Maybe two of them. That ledge right there might already be suitable for a perch. I'm not sure yet. And additionally, there are spaces up there for bird boxes or nesting, and there's some more shelf space up there also. The interior is about 7'6" across, so left to right is 7'6". So if I was to create just perch is just going across here. That's 7 by 7, and this is another 7. So that's 21 feet of perch space. I could do that 2 or 3 times and have over 60 feet of perching area. I could run a perch or more perches across at a higher level if that wasn't enough. I could also do perches back here, and then make these the nest boxes. Okay. I was thinking to hang the feeder across maybe suspend it right here in the middle, what would be the middle of the floor in the front. So kind of like where this table is, maybe suspend it from that wood right there. Okay, so I still have my work cut out for me, and there's a lot of stuff to do yet. But it's starting to look a lot better. I've already taken about 750 pounds of stuff out, and I've identified a couple of holes. But that should be okay to patch from the top without too much difficulty. That's shelves and wood that I found within, and some more materials up there that I might use for constructing the bird boxes. Alright, so let me know if you think this is too high. This level right here is well, got to be close to 5 feet off the ground, and I don't know that that's low enough for them to get in. I could also use the oven for a bird box, and there would be some kind of irony in that. And the refrigerator, which will be cleaned as a nesting box also. Of course, I'd take the door off. These two areas right here might do pretty well for a pre-made bird box, just as it is. Alright. Okay, signing off.